All right, collective. How y'all doing out there? Now, I just did a reading, but I'm going to run it back. All right? Let's see what else is coming out these cards. Since I'm on the road, I might as well do it, right? All right, so something told me to look at these cards over here. So I'm gonna pull from these and try to switch it up. However, I'm going to pull from the tarot first. I've been kind of liking that little spiel, the way they've been coming out. Alright, let's see. Now, I do hope everything is going well out there in La La Land. Now, I did good things today, y'all. I cleaned out one of my closets. Woo! It was happy. Now, I don't know what's going on here. Now, you got the High Priestess and the Hermit. Together, they make 11. Intuition, soul searching, mystery, inner knowing. Something is telling you yes. Moving on. Let me see. That's moving towards that wish fulfillment, though, I must say. And because it was the cups, your gut is telling you something. Let's see. Yeah, baby. Look at this. The Ace of Cups and the Sun. Now that's tapped in the source. Now source is coming in and giving you something. And again, this is a choice. Your gut is telling you something. Now I want to say whatever this is, of course you want to take your time. Be direct. And maybe this is what you're expressing something to somebody. Yeah. The High Priestess. This is looking at the High Priestess. This is behind you. And then I say something told me to pull from this card. And look what's here at the bottom of the deck. But I think this one is you. That's what I think. Now, what is the High Priestess talking about? What is she, what's going on with her spirit? Ooh, the spirit is too funny. Now, I got something to do with conflict, maybe. But it could be your own mental conflict, weighing your options. Because look, 2-2, some type of choice. It's something on your mind. You could be a tarot card reader. Something fated to happen. What is it? Damn. I put them together like that for a reason. 13, evolutionary. This could be your own mental conflict. Hesitation. What's behind that? Ooh, third wheel. Let me see what's going on. Alright, we're going to take that one. You got somebody stressed, going through withdrawals. Ooh, somebody stubborn, but damn. Look at that. Look at that money. Vibration. Now who is that? Damn, and look, it's 77. Somebody don't want to hear something? about somebody else's luck? Who is that? Oh my God. What is going on? Yeah, you can definitely be saying 222. Look at this. 222. 2. It even got 2 right there. It's going on. And we got 55 and 7 showing up. This is 32, but it's 55 right here. Withdrawal, readiness, yeah, commitment. And somebody about to learn something today. Somebody's about that. Ooh. Whatever they wished on you, boo, it's coming back. And it's coming back heavy. Now, we done seen the tarot card reader. They could be, in the spiritual community. Doing something. However, you connected as well. As long as you're doing the right thing by the laws of karma and dharma. It's almost like, look, it's almost like they was trying to do something, but it ain't work. Look, that's crazy. Alright. Came out for a reason. Now the vows is there. Wish, hope, and worship. Ooh, I told you. They going to jail. They done let somebody pull their little strings. Now they trying to get away with it. Trying to compromise. Look at them. Protesting. This you. And this them. I told you. This is you, boo. You and your new boo. We already seen the money show up. But let me see. It told me to pull for those cards. Well, let's I think I want these. Is it these? Yeah, they kind of be telling me stuff. Is it? Yeah, let me do it. Letting go. And it says this cycle has ended and it's time to let go to experience new growth. It is vital to have closure and gratitude for the situation to make room for the new things to enter. Go within to find what's holding you back. Change is necessary in this situation. Inflexible change. You are the person involved are set in ways that are impeding growth. Be more open-minded and see the other person's point of view to expand your perspective in a healthy. Oftentimes, being too rigid masks the problem that causes imbalance and unrest. Flexibility is needed to create flow. Right here. Now, and that's right on that. It's on perspective as well as that libation. Now, here we got taking the leap, showing up. Passion ignited. and higher vibration. I'm going to do it one more time. Now it looks like somebody chose to step in a higher vibration. Let me see. What is the lost card? I should have asked what the vowels were. Maybe. Denial and deception. False narratives. Now, this is also telling you to be mindful of the stories you're telling yourself. Having a negative narrative is destructive and simply not true. Stop listening to your ego-based story that is laced with falsehoods and old conditionings. For every negative thing you say, counteract that by saying 3 positive words. See the truth of who you are, which is wise, magnificent, and radiant. I am wise, I am kind, I am beautiful. I go. However, this could be somebody else. You know what I'm saying? Because we do have that inflexible change here. And I'm telling you, somebody's destructive. Maybe vowing to do something. Yeah. It's like somebody is pulling their strings, but they about to go to jail though. Yep. Somebody about to go to jail. Now that could be spiritual jail or real jail. I'm gonna pull from these. You can't make it up. Somebody, you can definitely be saying 555. Anytime you're seeing 222, something needs to come into balance. Something needs to change. Now, it could be you or the other person. Hesitant in regards to the choices. Damn, look at 2-2. 4 and 1 is 5. Journey. Inflexible change. I'm telling you, somebody about to go to jail. Yep. There's the official person coming to lock their tail up. Somebody better buckle up and wise up. That's the number 5 too. Somebody's just going to jail. You can't make it up. Spirit say I'm telling the truth. They don't get it together. Look at the moon. Death and the rebirth. The death card. Looking at with this house. But something is coming to the light. The truth. Now, this person could be drinking a lot. Somebody's standing up for themselves. There go the tower. And there go Michael behind it. There's the ego. Right there on the choice. The strength. The journey. The leap of faith. There's the choices. Now somebody might be failing to see what's in front of their face. Need to liberate themselves from this situation. Yeah, because it just give me toxic energy. I'm talking about very deceptive. But it's somebody about to show them some gates. Some iron gates. And that's moving on. It's like they dedicated too. They invested in this. It's like they're proceeding with whatever they got on their agenda. Whatever they doing with this right here. Relentless. But it ain't working. It ain't working. Yeah, loss. At crossroads. Vows. Taking action. Yeah. They're going to face off. I think this really got something to do with that reading that I just did. That's going to be posted at midnight. I really think it do. Yep. Between the Queen of Wands and the King of Wands. You can't make it up. The Queen of Wands was just there, and now this the King of Wands. Yeah. This is somebody standing up, some type of transition. The Moon card is on the ego. Somebody is dark. Dark, dark, dark. Yeah. I mean, they about to lose their money, though. Judgment. It's something about to be released to somebody. There's the battle. And in the other reading, it was a Queen of Pentacles. Now, I don't know if that's I think it do represent another relationship. Yeah. It's a king and a queen coming together. Queen and King of Pentacles. There you go. Look. This is on inflexible change journey. Moving on. Curious. Looking at the moon. Right with the libation. What can they do in the dark? Somebody's all up in their emotions. this money. It's something money. Like somebody want to take somebody out for some money. If they're going to lose some money, it's cheaper to keep her. Or to take her out. I don't know. What is it? Yeah, restricted trap. I don't know what's going on, y'all. But it don't seem good. It seems dangerous. They got a 10 of swords. On the 10 of pentacles. What loss? And that's on the crossroads. That's nostalgia. You know? Stuck in the past. It's like somebody paying somebody, trying to pay somebody to do something. Somebody is hurt about a family situation. Investments, money. Might have something to do with kids. Let me see something. I wanna pull from this deck. Dang. Caregiver flew out. Jealousy, abuse and neglect, drugs and poison. Right here with the libation. I said somebody could be drinking, but somebody else could be doing. Ooh. Serial killer. Serial killer. Oh my God. I'm telling you, I don't know. Accomplice partner in crime. I told you somebody could be paying somebody to do something. And then we got natural disaster. Neighborhood is behind that. And the beach. But they're going to leave their footprints? That's what I seen, footprints. I don't know what's going on, y'all, but this don't look good. So your intuition is telling you something about this whole clown, but something is going on. And that's all I got, because I'm getting out of here. Sheesh. Your intuition is telling you.